Okay, so I was looking at Jim's little panel dimmer. This is the one, not Jim, out of Phoenix panel dimmer. In the other video I had to fiddle with this to get it to work, right? So this is the one I took out of the car, and the way it functions, if we can see in here, it's got a little bridge, almost like a Wheatstone bridge looking thing in there for it to work, and the little arm moves back and forth. So this is one of the spare ones that I got. Not sure where I got this from, but this is more like the one that's in Jim, which is an 89, and it's got the little rheostat looking wheel right there. Forgot what you call those little bridge things. Some electrical person could probably tell the name on it. But we see our corrosion right in here, and these things corrode up. So went in on Jim's and just cleaned it up as best as possible. So those are two different styles that you can have. This one has a date wheel of 91. I thought it was 16 at first. I'm like, well, that don't make any sense. But it's a 91 date code, and I got a 91 car. This is what come out of it. So I don't know if this is an aftermarket piece or not. I'm not that much of a guru on it. The mounting blocks are the same. The connector's the same. But since this is what come out of the car, that's what I'm going to work on for two reasons. Because it's the one that come out of the car. This one is all riveted together, if we look at that. Whereas this one has a little plastic piece, so it looks like I can pull that apart, clean everything up real good, and then go in and do my dielectric grease in here. And I should be able to rebuild this one and make it look pretty nice. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, I got a really good long screwdriver, so I have enough torque to make sure I can break these. Well, I'm not really going to try to break them, but that's that come apart very nicely. Let's see if I can get lucky on these other ones. What I'm trying to do is give it a little bit of twist. There we go. Alright. So that's what we got right there. Connects in. Okay, so it's got a little hook right here. It goes up into this slot here. Alright, these are my pieces. They're corroded, so I'll just brush those up. And I got this piece here that doesn't look all that bad, but I'll clean this up, and this is a much easier way, or a better way to do than this one, because this one here is just going to be hard to try to get clean. So I'm going to get my tools out and whip that out right quick.